Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new update on Bonk. All right, we covered this yesterday. The situation, honestly, is still very much the same. Bonk is still technically, I mean, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, I would say we're bullish. On the 4 hour time frame, you can also argue we're bullish. We broke above all the EMAs. We broke above this downtrend, which are all bullish indications. However, and that's what we talked about yesterday, is that the strongest level you can see on this chart right now is right here about around 21,500. So that's what we talked about yesterday, and right now that is still the main level that's holding us down. So the main question still is, and that's also what we'll be talking about in this video, can we break above that level? So in essence, not much has changed regarding my analysis on Bonk. We need to break above that if we really want to turn bullish and rally back up to 25,000, potentially even 27,500. That's the main level to break. And one thing has changed, all right? So the technical aspect of Bonk right now, I would say is still the same, but the thing that has changed is that the market or Bitcoin has actually opened relatively well today. Now, if there's one thing that's good for meme coins, even though Bonk, well, with Bonk, there's something else going on, but if there's one thing that's bullish for meme coins, it's a bullish Bitcoin, all right? And then apart from that, even though that's not really the case anymore right now, or at least not in the last hour, Solana has also been very strong. And we have seen in the past as well that Bonk also reacts positively to a strong Solana, because it's obviously a Solana meme coin. But you can also see, look, there's two things going against each other, all right? You have the market, which is relatively bullish, and that's actually showing some momentum. And then you have that resistance level at 21,500 for Bonk that we cannot get past. And that's on the 4 hour time frame, and the daily time frame is a massive level. Like, it's not easy to break above that. And then apart from that, and that's also not positive, what you can see as well is that there's a bit of a divergence between the price and the momentum that we have. We gained a lot of momentum over the course of yesterday morning, also into yesterday afternoon, all right? Yesterday evening, actually. No, afternoon, excuse me. But we gained a ton of momentum, and with all of that momentum, we did not break out of this level. We did not break out above 21,500, and what you can see right now is that the momentum is dropping down. So that's those are two not good signs. Like there's good signs, like the market being a bit stronger, we've gained momentum, and there's bad signs like us rejecting off of that level so far and then also losing momentum. So the main question is all right, well, which one is most likely to be most important? And I have to say that I think it's a little bit more likely that we'll drop from here. Bitcoin and Solana are strong, but they have not had significant bullish breakouts. Well, Bitcoin had one, but Bitcoin also still needs to show that it can be sustainably bullish, and we have not seen that. If that continues, if Solana breaks above 155, if Bitcoin breaks above 66,600, that's more bullish momentum, and then I think Bonk has a good chance to break above 21,500. But with this momentum drop, that's the scariest thing. All right, because positions are being closed right now. And if positions are being closed quite a lot, millions of dollars, we're starting to get a little bit more bearish. So I think it's due to that momentum, I think it's more likely that we will get a bearish breakout below 20,000 right here, which is the main support level, and that we will drop down to this level right here between 18,700 and 18,000. Now that's a strong level. That's a retest of this trend line. We got several EMAs there. We have the 382 fib, we have the 0.5 fib. So I do think that we will find support there. And that's the main test, right? I think initially we'll get some bearish momentum. Then from here we'll find support. If from that support the open interest starts to increase again, so we gain momentum again, then I think it's possible to break above 21,500 later and rally up higher. But like I said, it's at this moment, short-term bearish momentum looks most likely. And after finding support around 18,000, whether we can actually gain momentum from there or not, it depends on Bitcoin and Solana mostly, all right? So keep your eyes on that. That's what I expect for now. In general, keep your eyes on Solana and Bitcoin as well. They will determine the next movements. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.